Hi, to optimize battery life on your Honor Magic 7 Lite, first thing we can do is to close all of our recently opened apps. For that, if you use buttons navigation like me, then you need to tap this square button. Or if you use gestures, then swipe up till the middle and hold your finger. After that, you would see this list of apps which are running in the background. So to close them, you can either swipe them up to close one by one, or you can use this recycle bin to close all at once. And now we got no recent apps, and now the device is in optimal condition. So after that, we can enable power saving mode. For this, swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger the control center and swipe this arrow down again like that to check more features. From here, find power saving and simply tap it, and it will turn on the dark mode, turn off AOD, which is always on display, auto sync and beauty, and restrict background activities and reduce visual effects. So tap enable, and now interface of your phone will change due to the dark theme. Now the next thing we can do is open settings on the phone, use search settings, and here input printing. So you need to find this default print service, choose it, and disable by tapping on the switcher. Then we can find notifications tab, go in app notifications, and here disable notifications from not needed apps. For example, I don't need them from Google Play Store, from Google Meet, and so on. And to save the changes, I'm using back arrow. Now the next thing we need to find display and brightness, and here make sure to enable automatic brightness, and now brightness of the display will adjust depending on the lighting around you. So it could be darker, it could be lighter, just like that. And also here we can find screen refresh rate. So from here, I suggest you to use the standard one to save power. You won't notice big of a difference, but it will help you to optimize battery life. And the last thing we need to find is battery tab. So in this battery tab, we would need to go in more battery settings. And here make sure to enable smart charge. Also enable safe charging because it will extend battery life. And also enable smart battery capacity because this will reduce how long single charges last but extend the battery's lifespan. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.